I completely forgot about these little treasures that I'm getting ready to show you. This week on Doll of the Week, I believe we're probably stepping back into the early 1900s. So this first gal I'm going to show you, and she cute. Look at all that curly hair. These are porcelain, the face, the hands, and the legs. I guess all the legs are. Well, probably from the shins down. Here's her little bow in her hair. And I can't remember where I got these. I've had them for quite some time. I have a little china cabinet where I don't have china. Never have had china. But instead, I've been putting a lot of my things like this or old toys like Barbie dolls and stuff like that that I played with, or maybe my children played with when they were younger. And it's just a collection of mishmash stuff like that. Maybe I'll show you sometime what I got in there. But anyway, this doll, along with this doll and this doll, all sit in that cabinet. And I kind of think they look like they may be headed off to the beach or something. Don't you think? I wish I knew where they came from because they're really cute. And I've had them for a long time. They're really in very good condition. I showed you this one. She's got little pantaloons on. And her dress is... There we go. See if you can see it better. It's got lace here. Lots of lace and stuff. And then this gal, isn't she cute? I love that. Little hearts. And her little apron. Looks like an upside down heart has made the flower. Here's her dress. And then this gal. Let's see, let me get her to stand up there. Look at all her curls. She's got a little bow in her hair that matches her dress. A little bow there. And these clothes are actually sewn on to these dolls. So I don't think, I wouldn't be able to take them off unless I got a seam ripper and ripped out the seam. Don't want to do that though. But I love these, and I don't know if I'll ever get rid of them or not, because they're just cute little additions just sitting up there in my cabinet. So let me know, do you have any forgotten treasures like these dolls? Do you collect porcelain dolls? I do not, except for these three. I used to have some, but I actually sent them off to the thrift store. Kind of culling down on my dolls. Mostly I collect either Barbie dolls or I got Precious Moments, but the main dolls I collect are the Blythe dolls, and I'm probably going to hone down just to them, except for little fun things like this and the dolls that I played with when I was little. Let me know down in the comments all the answers to those questions I just gave. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.